Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best surveys that pay through PayPal. If you're looking to earn extra cash online with quick PayPal payouts, there are some legit survey platforms worth checking out this year. First up is Swagbox, a globally popular reward site where you can complete surveys, watch videos, or try offers to earn points redeemable for PayPal or gift cards. It's beginner friendly with low payout, which is $5 threshold, though some tests may disqualify you midway. Next, YSense is a get paid to platform offering surveys, micro tests, and offer worldwide with PayPal withdrawals for verified account. While some surveys can be long and require verification, it provides multiple ways to earn. Prolific focuses on academic and behavioral research, mainly in the UK, offering high quality surveys with clear estimated rewards, low disqualification rates, and direct PayPal payouts with no fees, though availability can depend on your demographics. Lastly, branded surveys serves the US, Canada, and UK, offering daily paid surveys with a clean interface, low payout threshold, and fast PayPal processing, though survey availability may vary. Each platform has its pros and cons, so explore what fits your schedule and preferences best. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.